Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you a beginning of the week update because last week we could not make our position we couldn't increase the position on our Manulife Corporation stock, and so we're doing that today because the funds went in today because last week we had a holiday, miscalculated, and so we're doing it today. So extra video for you guys this week. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we deposit $100 into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. And so what we're going to do today is update the portfolio, show you guys the position increase in Manulife Corporation, and we're going to talk about a few things that happened today, which is huge news for anybody who owns this stock or myself, because I do own some stock in this company, but we'll talk about that, which is I guess a good educational thing. So and what does that mean for a lot of people? So we'll just get right into it. Starting with the day here, we are up $34.93, up 2.84%. For the week, we are up $79.80, 6.74%. For the month, we are up $129.97, up 11.45%. And the 3-month, we are up $144, up 12.91%, and it is the same for our 1 year and all. So today BMO closed out at 89.66, which is up $2.12, which is up 2.42% for the past day. We have 5 shares of Bank of Montreal, total value of $448.30. The average cost basis price that we purchased this position at is $81.32. And it holds 35.74% of the portfolio. Today's return is a whopping $10.60, up 2.42%. Total return is $41.70, up 10.26%. So we're up in that position with Bank of Montreal. Next position we have is Bank of Nova Scotia, closing out at $62.09, up $1.29, up 2.12% for the day. We own 7 shares in Bank of Nova Scotia. Total value of the portfolio is $434.63. Average cost basis price of $54.58, and it holds 34.65% of the portfolio. Today's return is $9.03, up 2.12. Total return is $52.58, up 13.76%, which is awesome. So today we have increased our position in Manulife Financial Corporation, the insurance company, but also does investments, and I do believe they have their own banking system as well for like checking accounts and stuff like that. Today they closed out at $21.85, up $1.05, up 5.05% for the day. This morning we had purchased 5 shares at $21.31. which brought our share total up to 17 shares in Manulife Financial Corporation. Total value of $371.45. Average cost basis price of $19.26, and it holds about 29.61% of this portfolio. Today's return is $15.30, which is a whopping 4.3%, and our total return is $44.01, up 13.44%. So that is where we are at today. This portfolio is just performing itself, it's outperforming, and it's absolutely amazing. And so before we get into what we're going to talk about today, we will hop over to trackyourdividends.com and update the tracker to give you an idea of what's going on. And so we will go into here. Portfolio value on the tracker on trackyourdividends.com is $1,145. We are up since last period there last week, $135. The dividend yield as of today, closing today on all positions, if you were to build this portfolio today, or if you did build it today, is 5.23%. Yield on cost. So this portfolio currently, because of our lower cost average, our yield on cost is much higher than what it is there. Our yield on cost is 5.93%, almost hitting that 6%. Our annual income since last week of the position is $60 a year. So we've already gone through all of this. We are up in all positions. As you can see here, Bank of Montreal, we are up $42. Bank of Nova Scotia, up $53. Manulife Financial Corporation, up $41. So doing very, very well. So we will up the position in Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC.TO. Our pre-populating tool is working again. Number of shares that we bought today were 5 shares, not 56. 5 shares, cost basis of $21.31, and we will add that to the portfolio and updated. Boom, it's done. So our portfolio now is valued at $1,254 of all stock, not including cash in the account. So we are up $138. Dividend yield today, if you were to build this portfolio today with the updated position in Manulife Financial Corporation, is 5.22%, and our yield on cost is what our portfolio gets from holding all these positions is 5.86%, still about to touch that 6%, which is awesome. And our annual income has increased from $60 to $65 a year. If we go down here, Manulife Financial Corporation has been updated to the 17 shares. Price of today was $19.85. No, $21.85. Sorry, our average cost is $19.26. Profit of $44, so we are up on the position. Dividend yield today is 5.13, but because of our position and buying at a lower cost, we are up at 5.82%. Our annual income from Manulife Financial Corporation is $19.04. So we're getting closer to hitting that $100 a year, which is great, fantastic. And so very, very impressed with that. And so that is the portfolio, guys. Beginning of the week, great updates. And we will now be switching our position, not our position, but our strategy, because this upcoming week, we will be now purchasing a position in Loblaws. We did talk about that. It was in my previous video. I did consider maybe switching it up and going with Restaurant Brands International, which is a company that holds Popeyes, Tim Hortons, and Burger King. But I think I'm going to stick with the plan and go with Loblaws and wait for my next opportunity to get into Restaurant Brands International, which is a company that holds those 3 fast food chains. But in today's marketplace, there was some big news. It was a great day. We are in a strange place in the market right now, where the market is moving based on hopes of this vaccine that is 90 to 95% effective, which is great and fantastic. I have nothing against that, nothing wrong with that. But the market is moving based on that, from what is my opinion and stuff like that. So remember, this is just my opinion. It is not it's not advice or facts or anything like that. It's just based off of my opinion. That is why the market is moving the way it's moving. And again, not a bad thing. Great, it's fantastic. But in other news, if you are a Tesla owner, congratulations. I am a owner in the stock for Tesla. I do hold a position in Tesla, and today they announced the S&P will be including Tesla starting December 21st, I think prior to December 21st. And after that was announced after markets closed, and the stock price of Tesla after hours just shot up. I think it's above 10% that it shot up. So it went from today being a price of, I believe it was 408 that it closed at today. Actually, I can take a look here, because it is on my watch list. Yes, so closed at 408.09, and I do believe it shot up to about $463 last time I checked. And that is awesome news. That's like almost a 14% increase. And so it's fantastic. I know a lot of people bought during, I think, the end of September when they had the split, based solely off hype and things like that. And going after that, it literally came right back down to, I think it touched like $350. And a lot of people were in a position where they actually were at a loss with the company. But now, if you still hold those stocks, or that one stock that you bought before the split or after the split, maybe a couple days after the split, when it was like at 5.20, you are probably about to break even really, really close here, because the stock price is $460 some last time I checked. But what does it mean for the company Tesla to be included in the S&P 500? Is that going to play a huge factor? Maybe, maybe not. But it is a good thing. There's nothing fundamentally changing with the company. The company itself is doing fantastic. I think it has like a 72% margin, almost keeping 72%, not 72, like 28% margin in the cars, and is just making profit. It has made profits in the past 4 quarters, and has destroyed targets. And it is a company that is not just a car company, but an autonomy company, I believe, and just is a tech company, and that's huge, right? I believe in Tesla, and so it's huge news, because now the S&P index will now include the Tesla stock. The ETFs that maybe deal with certain companies is massive. But for a company like Tesla to be included in the S&P 500, it is now bigger than Disney. It is now bigger than Toyota. It is one of the, it's probably in the top 10 of being one of the largest companies included in the S&P 500. There was talks of it, hoping that Tesla would be included back in September, but that didn't happen for who knows why. But now is the time for Tesla to be in there. Is it a buy? Yeah, I mean, it's, from what I understand, Tesla goes on like this 14 to 21 day run of just crazy growth, and then it goes sideways. It starts trading sideways, and that's when maybe you want to start looking at investing, is when it starts trading sideways. So what I mean by sideways is when you see when you look at the graph, Tesla literally shoots up, and then if you look at the week or whatever, it kind of flat lines. That's trading sideways. So it goes sideways. It's no longer going up. It's no longer going down. You know, you buy on the up, or you buy on the down, or you buy on the sideways. And right now it was sideways, and now it's probably going to go on a 14-21 day run. That's my guess. That is my opinion. It's not facts. I don't own Tesla, but that is based off just what I've analyzed. And so congratulations on everyone who owns Tesla shares, and not partial shares, because in Canada I don't think we can buy partial shares, but I know in the US I think some trading platforms allow you to buy partial shares. I'm talking to you, those who have full shares of Tesla. Congratulations. And I'm pumped about it. I'm very bullish on Tesla, and I don't talk about growth stocks very often on this channel. It's mostly dividends, but that's some huge news, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not your financial advisor. Do your own research, and seek professional advice if you need it. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you all, and we'll see you in the next one. This is just a bonus video because I messed up in calculating business days on deposits into this account. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.